Here we are looking at comparing and ordering of fractions. Comparing and ordering of fractions. Let's say before that we will first see types of fraction, that is like fraction first and unlike fractions. So first, like fractions, here the fractions where their denominators are same, so that we can compare their numerators. And the fraction with greater numerator is greater. So we can take example like 9 by 13 and 5 by 13. Here denominator are same but their numerator are different, and 9 is greater than 5. So 9 by 13 is greater than 5 by 13. So as we are looking at comparing fractions, so which is greater, which is smaller, the in the terms of like fraction it is simply just compare the numerators as their denominator is same. Also like 15 by 7, take 13 by 7. Here 15 is greater by 13, so we can say 15 by 7 is greater than 13 by 7. With this, there is unlike fractions, second form, unlike fractions. What unlike fractions are? Here neither denominator nor numerator is same, so here nothing is same in terms of value. So to compare these fractions, first we need to convert them into comparable quantities. So first we need to convert them into like fractions, and then compare their numerators. So converting to like fractions means we have to convert unlike fractions, their denominator, into the same value. Let's say we have the 3 by 4 and 5 by 2. These are unequal fractions. We have to compare, these are unlike fractions. We have to compare this fraction. But to compare, we need some equal quantity at any side. So to make the like fractions first, so we will first make these fractions into like fractions by making these denominators equal, and then we will compare their numerators. So what are the steps? First, uh, first we need to make them into like fraction, that is making the denominators equal, and then compare the numerators. So first convert to like fractions, then compare numerators. So how do you convert to like fractions? So first we will get denominators of fractions, find their LCM, that is least common multiple, then convert them into equivalent, into like fractions by multiplying their LCM with denominator. And finally compare with numerators. So we will just do these steps for these fractions. So our problem statement is 3 by 4 or 5 by 12, which is greater fractions. So first, what are denominators? Denominators are 4 and 12 are denominators. Then find LCM of 4 and 12. So we will find it by common division method. So let's say 4 and 12. Now find out the LCM. So 2 by 2, 4 by 2 are 2, then 12 divided by 2 are 6, then 2 by 2 1, 6 divided by 2 are 3. Now we take 3, 1 will come as it is, 3 by 3 1. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 3 12. So LCM is 12. Now convert these fractions to equivalent fractions with denominator 12. So convert these fractions into equivalent fractions with denominator 12. So 3 by 4 equals to, we have to make denominator 4. So what multiplied by 4 gives us 12? What number? 4 into 3 comes as 12. So we will multiply 4 by 3, and at the same time 3 by 3, 3 into 3. So this gives the value 9 by 12. Now compare their numerators. So the newly made fraction is 9 by 12 and the other fraction is 5 by 12. We are started with comparing these two. We have converted this into like fraction by making denominator 12, and in this process we get the fraction as 9 by 12, and now we have to compare with this 5 by 12. So to compare now, just we need to compare their numerator. So here 9 is greater than 5, hence 9 by 12 is greater fraction by 5 by 12. So here greater or smaller means their effective value is greater. that is, if we divide this fraction and the result of that division, that value, that resultant value will be greater of in the case of this fraction rather than or than this fraction. Let's take one more example. Here we need to do ordering. Let's say arrange following fractions in descending order. That is, greater will be the first and the smaller will be the last, descending order. Fractions are 3 by 8, 5 by 6, 2 by 4, 1 by 3 and 6 by 8. So as you see, the given fractions doesn't have anything same. So we need to first convert them into the like fractions. And how we will do that? We will make the denominators of these fractions equal. So like fractions then means denominators equal. And how we do that? Finding out LCM of these fractions. So let's say denominators are 8, 6, 4, 3 and 8. Now we have to make this into the like fraction. So we are using here common division method. So we'll start with 2, 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 3 will come as it is, 2 4s are, sorry, 8 is considered here, we don't need this. Then 2 2s are 4, 3 will come as it is, 2 2s are 1, 3 will come as it is. Then 3 2 will come as it is, 3 3s are 1, 1 will come as it is, 3 3s are 1. So the LCM of these fractions will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 1 into 1 is equals to 24. Now we have to convert these fraction into equivalent by making their denominators as 24. So convert to equivalent fraction. So 3 by 8 equals to 3 into 3, 8 into 3 gives you 9 by 24. Then second fraction is 5 by 6 gives you 5 into 4, 6 into 4, 20 by 24. Then 2 by 4. Here we will multiply by 6, 2 into 6, 4 into 6. So 12 into 12 divided by 24. Then 1 by 3. So here we will multiply by 8. 3 into 8, 1 into 8. 8 by 24. 6 by 8. We have to make denominator 24. So again, multiplying 8 by 3 will get 24. So multiply 6 also with 3, 8 with 3. So 18 by 24. So these are the fractions. Now we have to just compare their numerators. So what numerators we have? 20, so 9, 18, 8, and 12. So out of that, 20 is in descending order. 20 is the largest, then 18, then 12, then 9, and last one is 8. So numerator 20 will be this one. So starting with that, 5 by 6 is greater than 6 by 8 is greater than 2 by 4 is greater than 3 by 8 is greater than 1 by 3. And that's how we order fractions in descending order. Thank you.